Hello there everyone, this is Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. And for those who are new to my channel, my name is Felix. On this channel, I help people learning how to code and computer science students complete their degrees. So if you like videos like this one to help you in your journey as a computer science student or someone learning how to code, then click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. So today we're going to continue with the second part of this video series of the Introduction to Julia Programming language tutorial series, and today's video is going to be on variables. But before we get started, I want to show you guys a simple way that a simple package you can install in your Atom editor to go ahead and run your Julia code inside Atom, so you don't have to go outside of Atom and use a terminal and compile your code. So it's very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to go on top right here where it says packages and click where it says in command palette. We did this on the previous video for the language support, but this is a different type of package called Juno, you'll see right now. So you'll go to where it says install, settings view, install packages and themes, and the settings video will pop up. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to packages, right? Well, go to install, it's easier. Just go right there and you're going to type Uber Juno, like I'm typing right here, and you should see, here it is. It says here install a Juno IDE for Julia and Atom. So you're gonna click on install and it will install it for you. I have it already installed in mine, so that's why it says here uninstall. And make sure when you install it, click on the enable button right here. Right here I have it enabled, so that's why you see this window right here with all these commands that you might have not seen in yours if you have Atom installed. But what this allows you is to have something called REPL on the bottom. It's a little window right here, and you're going to be able to run your code by clicking the play button. And you're going to see the result right there. So it's going to be, at least in my opinion, it's more convenient to have it all in one place instead of like going like this, going and opening the terminal window, you know, so it can make it easier. You can do it on the terminal, but this is how I'm going to do it. So let's keep going. So the second one, so now after you install it, you're going to see all these things, right? And now we're going to get started with the topic of variables. So as a refresher, a variable is a value that can change. And this is just a computer programming concept. This is how I like to explain it. You know, there's a more formal definition, but basically it's just a value that can change. And also in computer programming terms, a variable is something that is used to store information. You know, it's a value that can change, and it can store information. So also it can be manipulated by a computer program, which we're going to do here using the Julia programming language. So how do we use variables in the Julia programming language? It's very easy. So the first thing I need to let you guys know is that, and whenever I type the hashtag symbol or the numeral symbol, it's going to allow us to type a comment in the Julia programming language. So variables are assigned, variable types, I should say, are assigned dynamically, or how I like to say it, on the go. So what I mean, and you're going to see what I mean here. So basically, it just means that you can change the type of variable. So let's say you start with a number, then you finish with a word, and Julia's not gonna tell you that that's an error. It's not gonna cry like I like to use this analogy. It's not gonna cry saying, "Oh, you can't change it." No, it's gonna allow you to do so. So that's very important. So also, the styling of variables, they're used in, the names are in lowercase, right? and you can use, and this is suggested by the Julia official website. I'm going to put the link on the description. And what the styling says is that you can use lowercase numbers for your variables. Also, you can use underscores to separate two words if it's a long variable name. So let me show you with an example. So this is how you declare a variable in Julia. You just say, let's say a equals 1. Then we say b equals 2. Now I want to add them up. Let's say c equals a plus b. Now to display the value of c, we use the command println in the Julia programming language, and we just say println c. So what this is going to do is going to show you the value that we have, that on this case it should be 3. Now for here it should show 3. So we click right here on run file on the play button, and you see we have 3. So it's pretty simple, and you can do other things. You can do c equals a times b, and that should give you 2. So we do println c. Oh, now we have to do this together. This is the great thing about having the syntax highlighting on Julia, the plugin, because it tells you like the color of println. It's like a lighter blue, so that's why it's pretty cool. So we click on play, and you see that we have 3 and 2, which is 2 times 1, which equals 2. So this is what I meant. Well, let me just show you another example, and you'll see what I mean about types are assigned dynamically. So let's say I want to do this. I want to do c equals, instead of a number, I'm going to say the Raptors, for all you NBA fans out there, won the 2019 NBA Finals. And we can do println c, and it's going to print it out on the console, and you'll see. So now we have 3. We still have 2, and we have 3, 2, and we also have the Raptors won the 2019 NBA Finals. So this is what I meant about that Julia changes the type on the go, or dynamically assigned, because we started with a number, right? We started with 1 and 2, then we added up, which is, for C, we're tracking C here, so it's 2 plus 1 equals 3. We print it right here, it showed 3, right? Then here we did 2 times 1, which equals 2, so it's changed the value of it, but it still hasn't changed the type. Now here, on the third time, we changed the type from a number to a string, or to a word, or a sentence, we should say. So this is what I meant when I was talking about that Julia allows you to change the type, and it's assigned dynamically, because it does it on the go, on the fly, I like to say. So that's all for today, guys. On this video, we talked about a little bit. This is the intention of this video was to show you on a very basic level how to use variables in the Julia programming language. This is for very beginners, for people who are starting out in the Julia programming language. I also give you a little refresher on what variables are as a concept, but this is intended to be very basic, so you can start getting your hands exposed. Well, you get yourself exposed to, I should say, to using this programming language from a basic level, and then you can start doing more complex things. So if you like this video, guys, click on that like button. Also, click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video, as this series is going to keep going, and you can keep learning more concepts of the Julia programming language if this interests you. Also, click on the little bell icon so you don't miss when I upload a video, so you'll be notified, you receive it on your phone, and we can keep in touch, and you can get this content delivered to your phone or to your computer, wherever you are. So also comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, guys, and a great week. Take care. Oh, and before I forget, I put on the link of the description some book recommendations if you want to keep learning about Julia. I put some affiliate links that you can use to buy the book recommendations for the Julia programming language. Just the link on the description below. Just check it out. And also, I wanted to say that I've added to the link on the description different ways you can support the channel. This way we can grow this channel together and keep helping more people learning how to code. So I just put that link on the description. Check it out if you're interested, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, guys, again, and a great week. Take care.